Hey folks, I know this is probably a silly unboxing video, but sometimes you like to see what you're going to actually get. And I know this is only worth like $8.50 some cents. I think that's what I paid for this off of Amazon. It was delivered 2 days later, which is always awesome. But I had this old Conair groomer slash nose hair trimmer basically, and ear hair trimmer, and it was rechargeable. You can see it came with a bunch of accessories. Bought it like Rite Aid, just your basic thing, and now it barely even holds a charge. So I had to get rid of that. So looking for a replacement. I didn't want all those little fiddly bits that came with the other Conair that I never used. So instead, I bought this recommended Amazon nose hair trimmer, and it's so generic it doesn't even have like a brand name on it or anything. But why does everything look like it's an iPhone? See all the packaging? It just cracks me up. So anyway, this is what you get basically. You get another generic user manual, ear, hair, and nose trimmer, and basically tells you to, go ahead and put a battery in it and start it up. And like I said, there's no brand name on it. Oh, here's the brand name on it right here. Ames. AAAMAES. They really like the A's. So basically it takes one AA battery, which I already put in there. And you can see it's a little bit noisy. Not as noisy as the reviews said. Like, it's not like going to wake somebody up, I don't think, unless you're standing right next to them. And it's not super powerful. Basically, here I have some lint I took off of the carpet here, and what we'll do is we'll try to shave that lint. You can see it has like a, it does the job. So anyway, that's what you get for $8.50 off of Amazon. A one-function tool, trim your ears and nose, and yeah, that's it. So if this video helped you, go ahead and like it, and if it was silly and it didn't, go ahead and put it in the comments below, and I won't make any more videos like this. But yeah, I hope it helps somebody, and I hope you can help somebody today too, because that's what makes you feel good when you help somebody else. So have a great day, and see y'all later. Take care.